No more spending money on replacing cracked glass. Introducing the German patented glass repair liquid, designed to fix all types of glass damage. Whether it's car windows, phone or TV screens, eyeglasses, or home windows and mirrors, it can easily repair them all. With exclusive nano repair technology, your glass will look as good as new and even stronger than before, guaranteed not to crack again within 30 days. It's simple to use, just apply in 1 minute and let it sit under the sun for 30 minutes to complete the repair. Order today and take advantage of our buy one, get two free offer, limited to the first 50 customers. Don't miss out.
The woman who has come in, she is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk.